Kaizer Chiefs should at least go to 2 finals this season. That is the Nedbank Cup and the Confed Cup.
What's up, Kosi Nation? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another episode of Kaizer Chiefs Uncut. Before we start, man, listen to what Gatsande said. Then I'll talk about.
Because I know everybody around the country, for them to trend, for them to be heard their voice, they need to talk about Chiefs.
Gatsande is right. Gatsande is definitely right. Look at this. I saw this story, man. These journalists, man, they're so disappointing. They wrote a story about Chippa United and Stanley Nwabali, but they had to include Kaizer Chiefs in the title and the headlines so they can sell their papers. They had to include Kaizer Chiefs because if they don't include Kaizer Chiefs, their story is boring. Nwabali story is boring. Chippa United is boring. But if you mention Kaizer Chiefs, yeah, now you got our attention. You know, Kaizer Chiefs target. Is Kaizer Chiefs the only team that was targeting him? No, come on, man. Stop using Kaizer Chiefs' name to sell your papers. Journalists, you guys are supposedly you went to university and stuff for journalism. We didn't go, but we still know ethics and morals. That's unethical. That's clickbait. That has nothing to do with Kaizer Chiefs. But no, you have to say, yeah, Kaizer Chiefs target. Kaizer Chiefs target. That's what you say first. That's the title, Kaizer Chiefs. And it's got nothing to do with Kaizer Chiefs, this story. But anyway, man, let's listen to what Coach Kazi said after the loss against Stellenbosch.
I believe that it's the first minute that were decisive. We didn't get into the game with the right attitude, with the right mentality. We conceded goals that are avoidable in the first 20 minutes. We have to keep our mental strong and look forward to the Sunday game, which comes very fast and which is a massive
That's what
game
he had
for
to
us.
say. Two things I can take out from that whole thing. Two things I'm gonna take out. The first thing, he spoke about attitude, right mentality. He said we went into that game with the wrong mentality. We didn't have the right mentality and the right attitude. And then you deserve to lose. If you go into a game with the wrong attitude and wrong mentality, you deserve to lose, man. But I think another thing that he's not saying when he's talking about that, I think these guys, Kaizer Chiefs, were eyeing the Al Masry match. And the second thing that he said, second take, is that this is a massive game we have on Sunday. You know. So clearly for them, the Nedbank Cup was not as big as the CAF Confederations Cup. Kaizer Chiefs are clearly prioritizing the CAF Confederations Cup. So now, let's go to the title of the video. Do or die match for Kaizer Chiefs against Al Masry in the CAF Confederations Cup. It's definitely a do or die because Kaizer Chiefs decided to put all their eggs in one basket. On Wednesday, they decided, no, we're going to save players for this match. For the match against Al Masry, they decided to bench Mabuwe, Lilepo. They benched a few guys, man, just to sacrifice them for this match against Al Masry in Polokwane this Sunday. That's what they did, man. Kaizer Chiefs are clearly, definitely prioritizing. They said, nah, the Nedbank Cup, we won that last season, you know. Yeah, let's not defend it. It doesn't matter that much. Because they chose to play guys that were been on the injury list for such a long time. MC Mango hadn't played for a long time. Gaston Serino hadn't played for a long time. You can't do that, man. They decided to bench Zita. They decided to bench a few guys just to save them for this match. I think that was not cool. I think that was not a good idea, man. We should play every tournament, every match to win. I didn't get to read the article. You know these articles, man, that come out in these publications. One of them was saying Bobby is blaming the tough schedule on the loss. But we have so many players. We have so many players that can play. We have so many players that haven't played. You know what I mean? So I feel like Kaizer Chiefs, in the first place, Coach Kazi, Nabopen Yusuf, they don't have a core team, a skeleton of a core team, a structure, a foundation that no, with 6, 7, 8 guys. These are the core team, and then we can just add there and there, according to injuries, according to the teams that we're playing. But we need to have, guys like that. We need to have like 6, 7 guys that we know. This is the team. This is the team that's gonna play. These guys can win us the match if we add a Ubanbani, on the side. You know what I mean? Because about Dylan Solomons, they're like part-time players, man. About Ashley Dupree, Ugupu Ashley, they're like part-time players. We have so many players, so I don't think we can blame the schedule that much. Yeah, the schedule is tight. It's tight for everyone. Other teams are playing in the Champions League. You wanna play in African competitions, then you can't complain about the schedule. If the schedule is gonna be too tight, then don't play in the African competitions. You know what I mean? Because if it gets too hot in the kitchen, don't go cook. You know what I mean? You can't go in a competition and start complaining about the schedule. Kaizer Chiefs, that's what's always been the schedule. I remember way back in the days, they used to say it costs too much to play in these African competitions. But now these African competitions, they pay so much money in dollars. Kaizer Chiefs are now prioritizing it over the Nedbank Cup. Oh well, really, it's fine. Let's look at the match against Al Masry. This group that we are in here, man. We are sitting third in this group with 4 matches played. We won 2, we drew 2, and we lost. We won 2, we lost 1, and we drew 1. We are sitting on 7 points. 7 points. 2 win, 1 draw, 1 loss. Same as Al Masry. Exactly the same as Al Masry. They also on 7 points. 2 win, 1 loss, 1 draw. 7 points. So that means it's for the taking. And if they win against us, we lose. We might as well just forget. About this thing, because they're gonna have to play Zamalek in their next match. Zesco in their next match. But before we get to that, we are on equal points. Goal difference is the same, 1 goal. They scored 6 goals, they conceded 5. We scored 4, we conceded 3. So goal difference is 1 each. But they are sitting on top of us because of head-to-head. They beat us when we played them in Egypt. So they are ahead of us just on head-to-head that they won their match against us. And then Zamalek is there sitting not so comfortably on number 1 with 8 points, 2 draws, 2 wins. They even lost, so they are sitting on 8 points, and they'll be playing Zesco. So Zesco are the whipping boys of the group. They've lost all 4 of their matches, so I think Zamalek will and should win this match against Zesco and go to 11 points and be comfortable on 11 points. And the winner between Kaizer Chiefs and Al Masry stands a good chance to joining Zamalek. But Al Masry is still gonna play Zesco, the whipping boys. So we hope for Zesco to do something in these last 2 matches, man. At least get themselves a point or something, show that Bevacorn consolation. What's console, man? A point in at least get a draw, 1 point. That's what we be hoping for. But it's tight, man. It's a do or die match for Kaizer Chiefs. These next 2 matches are finals. This one is here at home. We have to make sure we win, because the next one against Zamalek is gonna be there in Egypt, and there's a problem. That's a big problem. Going to Egypt is never easy, but we're gonna have to do it the hard way, I guess, man. If we don't win today, we have to. Not today. This weekend. If Kaizer Chiefs doesn't win this match against Al Masry this weekend in Polokwane, it's going to be trouble. It's going to be problems. It's going to be harder than it already is. Yeah, Kosi Nation, tell me what you guys think about the video, and if you liked any part of it, please hit the like button. And if you liked it, I guess you should subscribe, man, so you can get more videos like this. Kosi Nation, members, I love my members only. I'm going to be doing a series of members only videos. Make sure you hit the join button, join the membership, link in description. Kosi Nation, love and peace. I'm out.